Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can change text fonts using the Wix editor. Okay, so let's begin. So you can see here texts, so you can click on the text box, okay, and you can click edit text, so you will be able to change the font style. Okay, so if you would like to change them all, you can highlight them, or you can easily click or type Ctrl A to your keyboard and click fonts right here. You can also click the drop down menu right here, so it will show you bunch of font styles right here. So let's use this one, Lulu Clean. Okay, so as you can see, all of the letters of the words have been changed. Okay, okay, so that's it. If you would like to add another text box, you can click add elements, okay, text, and you can choose, okay, this one. Okay, so it will add a text box on the page. Click edit and choose the font style that you like. Okay, so that's how you're going to change the font style of text in the Wix editor. So if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.